Hey there, thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Sean Valancourt, and today I'll be talking about the HempWorx CBD sample kit. How you can get your hands on a HempWorx CBD sample kit, and of course, what the heck is in the HempWorx CBD sample kit. Okay, now this thing is totally free. You get over $40 worth of product in this sample kit, and all you have to do is pay for shipping and handling. It's about 11 bucks to get it to you, depending on where you're at. Other than that, it's totally free. Okay, with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and dive in. First and foremost, obviously, this is the core. This is 500 milligrams of CBD oil. And this is basically just a dietary supplement that you take daily. I take anywhere between 10 and 20 drops each and every day. And it does help with different things. One of the things that I personally noticed is that it seemed to help me sleep a little bit better, which for me is pretty cool because I'm a bit of an insomniac. All right, the second thing that comes in your sample kit is something called HempWorx Relief, all right? Now this stuff, for me, is where it's at. This is my favorite part of the sample kit because I use this whenever I have pain, but my wife actually uses it every single day because she has some back pain that started up about a year ago. And so she's rubbing this thing on her lower back all the time. But one really cool thing that we actually tried a little while ago, you know, like many couples, we'll exchange massages. You know, I do you, you do me. Give a little neck rub or whatever, or lower back rub. But we actually mixed this in with the massage oil. You know, we usually just use regular lotion or massage oil or whatever, but we'll put little dabs of this into the mix. And the first time we did it, my wife told me the next day, she's like, I haven't slept that good in weeks. So we're loving this product. The next thing that you get in the HempWorx CBD sampler is something called HempWorx Revive, and it's just a collagen and retinol based eye cream that also has CBD infused in it. Love it. I'm using this myself in the morning and the evening, which brings me to the last product that you get in your CBD sample kit. And it's just something called Renew. It's just a daily moisturizer that you can use on your face and neck, and it's CBD infused. A little tip that you may or may not know, one of the things that supposedly, I don't have it anymore, but I've actually tried it on with my daughter, is it actually is supposed to help with acne. So I'll be sure to report back on that once we see how it works for her. But anyhow, that's it. In your sample kit, you get absolutely free, except for the shipping and handling. You get drops, pain relief, eye cream, and daily moisturizer. Yours will look a little bit different. They are, it is over $40 worth of product, but it's not gonna be quite as big as this. So if you want to go ahead and take advantage, check the description down below and I'll have a link on a couple different things. One, how to get your free sample. Two, how you can actually get started in the CBD business if that's something you may want to do, because it's set to explode in 2019. And actually HempWorx grew to the tune of over 1,100% in 2018. They just blew up huge. So I'm pretty excited about that. Okay, thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it. See you next time.